However well we know the English countryside, one continues to find beauty spots that are somehow different. This setting, which perhaps looks more like a village in Switzerland, is in fact the lovely hamlet of Littlebeck in Yorkshire. Little known to tourists, yet famous the world over in cultural spheres as a centre of wood carving, and the home of a brilliant craftsman heralded as Master of the Gnomes. The craftsman is Thomas Whittaker, who comes from a long line of woodcarvers, one of them, another Thomas Whittaker, being martyred for his faith in 1646. This eagle, carved from English oak, is also for a church. Incidentally, before you chop up the nearest orange box to try your hand at it, bear in mind that Mr. Whittaker only uses wood that has been seasoned for at least 7 years. Mr. Whittaker's work is, of course, varied, and he has earned the title we mentioned because the gnome is his craft signature, chosen because of a Nordic legend which states that whenever an acorn is born, a gnome springs to life also, remaining with the oak as its lifelong guardian. This work, however, when completed, will be the bookend head of Chopin. Traditional methods and designs, coupled with Thomas Whittaker's gifted imagination and knowledge of medieval lore, are today reviving a beauty that, but for men like him, would long since have been dead.